Hey guys, welcome to Sew It Yourself. In today's video, I'm going to share you how to draft, cut and sew this beautiful kaftan nighty. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment. For today's project, I have taken a 3.25 meter printed cotton fabric. Now let's see how to do drafting in it. To begin with, open the fabric and fold it widthwise and then lengthwise. So this is the open side and we will have 4 layers here, and the other side is on full side. This is how it will be. This is also the folded side. Let's mark the length first. For that I have taken a measuring tape and I will place it here. Here I have taken 55 inch. It includes seam allowance of half inch for folding at the bottom. Now from this point mark 3 inch. This is the neck width, and then mark the back neck depth as 3 inch. And mark front neck depth as 6 inch. This is the measurement I am using and you can change it according to your requirement. Then draw a round shape for back neckline. And for front neckline, draw a curved V shape. So here I want to show you the width of the fabric, which is 21 inch, but if your fabric is having 18 inch, then it is more than enough to sew this kaftan nighty. From the open edge of the garment, mark 8.5 inch. This is for arm round measurement. Here also you can extend up to 10 inch, but not more than that. Again from here mark 5 inch. Here also you can extend up to 5.5 inch. And not more than that. Now I am going to join this point till the bottom of the garment. So place the measuring tape like this and draw the line. Then join these points. Here draw the curve shape like how we used to draw the armhole round. This is how it looks. Now again draw a straight line at the bottom of the fabric to trim the raw edges. After that, from the bottom mark 6 inch because we are going to stitch up to this point. After this, only the slit portion, like how we have in kurtis, like that it will be. Make a stitch up to this point. Now cut it. Make a small notch. After making the notches, trace the same markings in all the other 3 layers of the garments. Because here we are not going to cut anything, and also we are going to stitch this at the right side of the fabric. So that I am marking at the right side of the garment. Now trim only the back portion. After this, lift the front portion and trim only the front neck. Turn the fabric to the wrong side. And then trace this. After the tracing was complete for both the sides, now from the shoulder mark 15 inch for belt. And then place the measuring tape here, and from this point mark 1.5 inch and then draw the straight line. So extend this line till the other end. So here also mark 1.5 inch and join this up to this point. So this is the belt portion. Here only we are going to stitch the belt. Similarly, turn the back side and repeat the same procedure for the back portion as well. So mark 15 inch and extend it by leaving 1.5 inch on both the sides and draw a straight line. I finished marking the belt for both front and the back portion. Now this is the front portion, and mark the center and make a small slit in order to insert the rope here. And that's it. I am going to finish the neckline by using this piece of fabric. I have already cut out the required fabric for neckline by tracing it using the leftover fabric. So place this strip at the right side of the neckline and make a stitch. After that, turn and fold it once and make a stitch. Similarly, finish the back side as well. So for this, I have taken a cross piece. Just place it at the right side of the fabric, then turn and make a stitch at the wrong side. After finishing the neckline, I am going to show you how to finish this belt portion. For that, I have taken a small piece of fabric, then trace the hole and leave ½ inch for stitching. So place this piece of fabric at the right side of the fabric and pin it, but stitch only at the wrong side of the fabric. So now let's finish the neckline first. To begin with, I am going to show you how to finish the front portion neckline. For that, just fold this once and start making a stitch at the right side of the fabric. So now lift the pressure foot and turn the fabric and start making a stitch. And fold this also once and make a stitch. And that's it. Now make a small notches all around the fabric. Then turn this to the wrong side. By folding it once, make a stitch at the inner edge of the fabric. And that's it. Repeat the same procedure for the back neckline as well. I finished both the necklines. Now I am going to finish the belt portion. For that, I have already pinned the small piece with the right side of the fabric. Now turn this to the wrong side. And then I am going to make a stitch by leaving ½ inch throughout the hole. So if you turn this to the wrong side only, it will be easier for you to stitch because we have a hole already here. So it will be easier to stitch. Now you can see I finished attaching and make a small cuts here also. After that, turn the small piece to the wrong side of the fabric. Then make a top stitch. Now we have to finish all the raw edges of the small pieces by folding it once and start making a stitch. So this is how it will be. Here you can see I'm going to finish the belt portion. For that I have taken a strip. This is the straight strip. Just place it here and I am going to make a stitch. So fold all the raw edges at the corner and also at the bottom and make a stitch. Similarly, repeat the same procedure for the front portion as well. This is the front portion. Here also I am going to repeat the same. Just place it here and make a stitch. To begin with, I am just folding the raw edges once and make a stitch for both the sides. After that, I am going to place it here. And this is I am going to stitch at the wrong side of the fabric only. Similarly, finish the bottom of the belt as well. Again, fold it one more time and start sewing it. And that's it. Repeat the same procedure for the other side as well. You can see here I finished attaching the belt for both front and the back portion, and also I have finished the neckline. This is the front portion and this is the back side. Now what I am going to do is I'm just show you how to stitch the sides of the kaftan. I'm just tracing this marking. So stitch up to this point. After that there is a slit portion. Just fold it twice and make a stitch. Similarly, finish the bottom by folding it twice for both front and the back portion, and repeat the same procedure for the other side as well. Always pin the fabric before you stitch so that it will be easier to stitch. So stitch up to this portion. After that, slit portion. So just open this. And fold it once and make a stitch. Since this is the selvage edge, and folding it once, otherwise you need to fold it twice. So just fold it once and make a stitch. Repeat the same procedure for the other side as well. Once both the sides are finished, then fold the bottom twice and make a stitch at the inner edge of the fabric. That's it. Here you can see I finished attaching both the sides of the nighty and also the slit portion on the bottom as well. Now I am going to insert the rope. I have already finished the rope. So just take the safety pin, unpin the rope and insert the rope from the front portion. So I have just turned this fabric to the wrong side. This is the front side. Here only we have the hole. So I am just inserting the rope from the front portion. So here you can see this is the back side of the nighty. So I am passing this rope to the other end of the belt as well. So I have to pass like this. And take from the other end. That's it. Now turn this fabric to the right side. This is how it looks. So here I am going to attach the tassel and that's it. Here I will show you one more time what I did here so that you can easily understand. From here to here I have marked 8.5 inch for arm hole. Then from this point to here 5.5 inch. Then mark till up to this point. Here I have left some 5 to 6 inches. Similarly, I repeat the same for the other side as well. So this is so simple. I finished the neckline and also I have attached the rope here and also I finished the tassel. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then do like, share, subscribe and comment. This is the final outlook of my nighty. Thanks for watching.